Hello, good afternoon, happy Wednesday. Back at it. Back at it. Let me move this. Back at it, back at it. All right. All right, let me have a look at gold. What's going on here? London has just opened. Whoa, getting a big push. Don't do too much without us. So I'm just going to start with some top-down analysis and go from there in a second. Wow. All right. All right. Where are we at? Today, all we have done is push down. Created a small top wick on the daily. 4-hourly has only created red 4-hour candles. Getting a pretty big rejection here. So still 1 hour of this 4-hour left. But yeah, it's creating a pretty big rejection right now. Interesting. There is a key level where it is right now as well. The 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is trying to creep up. $30-minute. Oh, damn, that was actually, it would have been a juicy trade to catch there pre-London. And the 15, what's the 15 doing? Yeah, 15's kind of taken off a bit. Whoa. 30 pips. 30 pips in 3.5 minutes. So as of right now, my key levels are looking like here for support and here for resistance. These are the two levels I'm looking at right now. Yeah, this is it for now. See what can happen in this area here. But pretty interesting kind of structure that's been created today. Like, there's clearly like this big level here that it broke through and just dropped 130 pips. And now it looks like it's kind of trying to work its way back up. See if it has any issues getting back up or creates a new level of resistance or support. We'll just have to wait now. There's not a whole bunch you can do yet. I'm just gonna black my screen for a sec. Pull up all the real important stuff. Yes, I caught a nice trade here on an Asia sesh through here. Held for 30 pips. Little did I know it was going to drop another 100, but I would have held. But I was a bit shell shy from the day prior. Like yesterday was a bad day, so I just kind of like, eh. But nice little 29 pips. Pipperoos. She's climbing, she's climbing. Damn, this would have been a great trade. Had I been paying attention, I would have probably taken this buy right here. How many pips is that? Yeah, that'd be nice. But now I just have to wait. Got this 15 closing in 7 minutes. So I have to black this one more time. Highly secretive stuff going on over here. See if his 15 can fill that range. That'd be pretty crazy. But it'll be good for me. Give me something more to work with. Because I have to wait till one of these candles start to hit this either support or resistance level before I can really start looking at anything. That's what I have to wait for. Man, why is my shit laggy? Yo, yo. What is up?
Hey, how's the sound? Because I've got my AirPods in, so.
Sounds good on my end. Let me listen to the stream and see if it's anything. Oh wow, groundbreaking. Yeah, it sounds normal.
Good? Okay, that's good.
This is groundbreaking stuff over here.
That's good. How are we doing?
Just waiting.
Mm,
Playing
yeah, same.
the waiting game. What are you looking at?
I'm too sure. Like gold, I was looking at cells, but now gold's like gone up a little bit, so I
Hmm.
might just watch what it's like.
Have you taken any trades today?
No, I traded my session because I'm behaving. So.
Oh yes.
Mm.
Good.
I took a good trade last night, but I think I showed you that.
Yeah, yeah.
Back around break even for yesterday,
Yep.
which is nice.
Yeah, very nice.
What are you been up to? You traded yet?
Yeah, I took a one here. I probably would have held longer because it did end up dropping another 100 pips, but because I was a bit shell shocked from yesterday, still I was like, ah,
Mm. Yeah, I feel that.
cut it there. Cut the shit.
How's the account looking?
You can see it up here, so I'm at pretty much 550.
That's
Not
nice.
too bad.
That's nice. Still working my way back.
Climbing
But yeah,
the corporate ladder.
yeah.
Aru, hello Danny boy. Hello Aru. Hello. Welcome back to the talk show with your hosts. Very good to see you back. Very happy to see you back. Just waiting here on gold, waiting for something to give us a signal to enter.
See, I don't know if I'm not too sure whether I'm gonna look for buys or sells now. Because I was looking at sells. No, was I looking at sells? Yeah, I was looking at sells, but it's kind of like flown up and then like, I don't know.
Is World War III gonna happen? Bro, it's crazy, right? So that's why like I'm a bit tentative to take my sells that I took today, because whenever this shit in war picks up, gold goes up.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, pretty crazy stuff what's going on. We're very lucky to be where we are in the world, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
But as sad as it is, if something happens, the market will move in a crazy manner with a lot of volume, which we'll have to capitalize on.
It's so gross how they make money off of war.
Mm.
It's pretty political, so I don't want to get too into it.
Don't want to drop knowledge on these fools. Get all political with it. Aru, have you taken any trades today? Damn, I'm laggy. Need to get a high definition webcam or some shit.
You got a high definition webcam?
No, I need to, because I just like feel like it's laggy on the phone.
Oh, weird. Yeah. I wonder if it's like software or something.
Yeah. It's like the streaming software that I use to film me. No, I'm gonna wait today. Gonna wait till New York. Yeah, go. That's the go. Get that New York volume, son.
Yeah, New York, I caught a really good one. I opened it like just before and it just pushed up like heaps.
Mm.
Solid trade.
Was that gold?
Mm.
No, it was J. Oh, was it?
Yeah.
This was all New York here. Yeah, it was a lot of volume.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Really nice. Really, really nice.
Very crazy.
I've been like tidying up all day.
Mm.
It's like so clean and it feels so good.
Yeah, how good does cleanliness feel?
Yeah. So I left my room like an absolute tip from like before going to Sydney. So.
Oh, really?
Things like everything's like nice and clean now.
Yeah. Are you working this weekend?
Just Friday, I think, unless they put me on Saturday, but no, I don't know. Just Friday at the moment.
Yeah.
It isn't too bad. It's gonna be weird going back to night shift because I've been getting up like a lot earlier than I usually do.
Mm.
It's gonna be like a complete flip. It's not too bad though. You got much on the weekend?
This weekend. I feel like there's something, but probably not, no.
It feels so good to have like a solid setup now. I finally moved a desk in my room and it's just like so much better.
Mm. Yeah, you need a desk and shit, eh? That's the key. That's the key.
Are you thinking of sales or bias?
I have no bias right now.
Mm.
But I do need to wait for some blue and red candle to print next to each other first. Even if that happens here like this, then I'll figure something out.
Oh my god, I can actually add backgrounds on Zoom this time.
Oh wow.
Incredible.
Incredible.
I'm not gonna do it.
I'd love to see something like this. And I'll take this cell right there.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna use my mouse.
That would be immaculate.
Yeah, I'd kind of be looking for similar. I wanted to retest and then go down.
Yeah.
I'm just a little unsure at the moment with how it's moving. Just wait and see.
Hmm. Yeah.
So when you look at Asia, what time do you look at?
Ideally,
Set time or?
from 11 till like 1:30 is ideal.
Yeah.
Yeah, 11 till 1:30 is ideal. Being some crazy volume. So I was sort of looking for cells, and I nearly got faked out here for cells.
Yeah.
It broke. Oh shit! It yeah, it broke below here, in this area here,
Mm.
and then faked down and came right back up. And then it
Yeah.
created this new level here. And when it broke below that level there and wicked back up and came back down, I took my cell there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was a good trade.
Nice move.
Yeah, it was very clean. One sec.
History. How are you doing?
Born in history. Incredible to see you back. Incredible to see you back. Not good, haha. Losses already and blew my funded account. Ooh.
It's not good.
Losses already and blew my funded account. Did this happen today? Losses already and blew my funded. Okay. Check. Test. What the frick?
What's up?
I just can't hear my mic. It's all good. Check. There we go. But I will start again with proper strategy. I was down 1,400 and drawdown was about 100 away, so better start from zero with the right strategy and mentality. Yeah, I guess so. If you were approaching the challenge with the wrong mentality and strategy, yeah, it's kind of set up for failure.
For sure.
By the way, yesterday I asked you about Head and Shoulders. Watched a couple YouTube videos on it. Am I correct that the Head and Shoulders pattern is building? I can't see if you finished that. Can you see if there's a word after building? I'll show you something right here.
There's no words after building.
Okay, I'll show you something right here with the Head and Shoulders history. Let's find maybe a textbook one. So something like this with this Head and Shoulders right here. Actually, that's a bad example. They're obvious. They're everywhere and on all time, on all time frames. I'm just trying to look for a real obvious one. Something like this is pretty obvious. The idea of a Head and Shoulders, and everyone just has different names for it. It's also just called a change of structure. The idea of a Head and Shoulders is a lower high, a lower low. A higher low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, lower high, and then a continuation. It's literally just a change of structure. And people say, oh, there's the shoulder, there's the head, and there's the shoulder. And generally, if everything lines up to the left, it implies that you're likely going to get a continuation, which you did on this side here. A continuation to the downside. But then you can get inverted Head and Shoulders as well, which is the same thing, but the other way around. Because it's just really a change of structure. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And then you just keep going down. Unfortunately, can't share any pictures. Otherwise, I would share. Join the Discord history. We'll chat in the Discord. It's in the chat there. Just click invite or whatever it says. Join the disco. It's a shame to hear about your challenge though. Like you said, all you can do is learn from it, right? Learn from your mistakes, journal it, and just keep getting better. So now I have to wait for this 15 to close. The 30-minute, like that is a textbook reversal trade for me. Big body on the way down, body gets smaller with a big wick rejecting up, smaller green body, bigger green body, even bigger green body, like it's just perfect. Reversal. But yeah, I feel your pain history. I've blown many funded accounts as well. It sucks. And especially when you know that you blow it because you didn't abide by your own rules. That's the most painful thing. Like there's nothing more painful in trading is being in a trade that you know you shouldn't be in. That's the worst feeling because all you've got then is hope. There's no system. There's no past data that you can refer to try to get an indication of what's going to happen next. It's purely hope. And that's a terrible feeling. I have received a signal for a buy. Oh wow, someone's
Used to
asking you to
power,
buy just before
but
it hits resistance as well. They're anticipating that it's going to be able to punch through this. Have you got a same signal, Ella, from one of these groups? Full
I
margin.
don't think so. I don't think so. Oh yeah, actually, one of the groups said bye.
Oh wow, history. That could even add to the issues that you had with your challenges being in these types of signal groups. The signal groups
Yeah.
don't really give you calculated, you know, buy or sell decisions. They're just waiting for key areas to get hit and basically flipping a coin. Like, it's not how trading works. Buy 2652. I have 2657 as a level to buy now. 2657. Yeah, that's a good level to start looking at buys, but the only issue is it could wick up there. Like, you need a candle closure and stuff like that. Like, I like that level for a buy, but what if it wicks up like this and just rejects? You need a candle to close up there. This one is a professional. They're all professionals, brother. They're all professionals. Yesterday, that my analysis. Yeah. See, that's the thing. If you lose a trade, especially if you're going off somebody else's opinion and things like that, and it's like you always end up going, fuck, man, what I originally thought, my original analysis was spot on. I should have just stuck with that. I've done that as well.
Mm.
That's why, like, even watching this, if I was anyone else, I wouldn't, like, let my opinions sway you. I'm just doing this just to keep myself accountable and stuff. Stick to your own analysis.
Yeah, I used to be in heaps of groups and I used to take just like signals and my own trades and it just messes it up so much more.
Yeah, whole
Because I
combo.
couldn't actually tell if I was like, if it was my trades that were losing more or like the signals because I was just taking so many different ones.
Hmm. Yeah. Leave it for now. I got
Isn't
out,
it
but
long weekend this weekend?
oh, I'm not sure. I
Wait,
got
what are you
out
saying?
because I received a signal to sell. Eee. Yeah, see, it got to your head. But being just
Yeah.
3 months into it, I feel confident about it. Good, man. Feel confident about the process. Just keep learning from your mistakes. I hope you're journaling. The journaling is the best way to kind of keep track of your mistakes. As much as it, it can be annoying. Like, check this out. History. This is journal. I have all my reasons why I entered. Everything that happened. Pictures attached. The session time. So if I ever want to kind of look back on my data, it's all there. That's what you need to be doing, I think. Is it a long weekend?
King's birthday or something. I know my work's open on Sunday, which they're not usually, so
Well, it's
I think so.
the king of the world.
King of the world.
Kings and queens like it's freaking medieval times. I never understood this whole concept, Yeah, good to hear history. Good to hear. Very good.
The 4 hour candle has such a huge wick on it now.
Oh, that's a red flag for buyers.
Mm.
Mm.
Wait, why is that a red flag for buys?
I guess it's not super big.
Mm.
Just because you got to like weigh up the probabilities of like how often do you see a wick that big type shit. Like how many pips is that?
Yeah.
It's 100 pips. So there's one here, and there's one down here. So there's been, you know, it's not that frequent. And plus, wicks
Because it's
usually get
ruined my
filled.
bias. It's just ruined my bias though, because I like a consistent trend, but
No,
like, it was a downtrend and now it's kind of gone up, and I'm like,
But this could just be a pullback on the downtrend.
could be.
You know what I mean? Because it's really, they just moves like this on the way down. So this could just be one of the spikes up for a continuation.
Yeah. See, I love getting wins, but I also hate it at the same time because then sometimes it gets to my head.
Mm.
And then I'm not patient.
Because what? I guess you had him what?
Because it gets to my head and then I'm not patient. Like, yeah.
Yeah, I knew something was up. See, I'm getting that error message again.
What's happening?
Oh, I just got like that error message that I was getting yesterday, which was lagging the stream.
Oh. Yeah, weird. It doesn't look too bad.
No, I think the stream looks, yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah, I may have entered a sell before, but I closed early because it moved back up.
Oh.
And that's what I mean, that I wasn't patient. So I took a bit of a silly trade. But it's okay. Just be more patient with the next one.
Yeah. Well, at least you got to close it early.
Yeah, only a little bit, but it's, yeah.
Okay. Mm. 3 minutes for this 15 to close. Let's see what it can do.
I'm gonna stay out of GU today.
Oh, that was on GU that you took?
Oh no, it was on gold.
Oh.
Yeah. But it's fine. It's fine.
You think that red wick in the right shoulder like could be an inverse head and shoulder if you look closely? The red wick, I don't know which wick you're talking about. I mean, and I don't know which time frame as well. I don't see anything around in this whole section of gold that looks like a Head and Shoulders. It was sort of creating a bit of a pennant, like a flat bottom pennant today. Sort of. But it kind of just melted. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, 30 minutes not really showing any type of Head and Shoulders either. I think you're talking about like maybe inverse Head and Shoulders. If this were to come up and then come down here, maybe I can see what you're saying. But we wouldn't know until it gets to like here and starts moving back this way before we can go, oh, I'm anticipating a bit of a Head and Shoulder formation now. So from here it still needs to get to here. Wow. Get to here. Oh, I think you're talking about down here. Inverse. Yeah, sort of. So you've got a higher, a lower high, lower low. Sort of a lower high, definitely a lower low. Higher high, higher low. Put it this way, when you see these Head and Shoulder formations as well, the cleaner it is, so if it was really like clear like this, the more reliable it is, because this is like kind of a how you going kind of one. It'll generally play out like how you going. I don't think it had much to do with like gold's movements yesterday. Gold was just fucking doing what it was going to do regardless. But yeah, sort of. Damn, Devo, I missed out on this trade. Beautiful.
So?
Pre-London, that was just a perfect setup. That's alright. Alright, so that 15 close engulfed the previous support, but it rejected off resistance up here. I have to wait for this next one to close and see what the go is.
Wait, you streamed yesterday, hey?
Oh, for like a second. It was just like laggy, and I just deleted it.
Yeah, I wonder if it needs like an update or something.
No,
like
I'm questioning if it's just my Wi-Fi more than anything.
No. That's so good. You got much else on this week? just work and trade.
Yeah, work and trade. I didn't sleep much last night, so I didn't train
Really?
this morning. I don't think I slept at all, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah,
Why?
just a lot on my mind, and then I already have sleep issues at times.
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, that's not
so
good.
I didn't train, so I'll be training mega tomorrow.
Yeah, I think me and my friend are getting back to the gym tomorrow.
Mm.
I was gonna go today, but I was like, I want to just get the my cleaning done, just make my space clean, and then I can get back to it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yes, indeed. I might see if Joe can join the stream tomorrow.
Yeah, that'd be
You
good.
can have both ears on the screen.
I've got uni anyway, so probably won't even trade tomorrow.
University.
Yeah.
University.
Got so long to go still, but
Lucky you've got a lot of time on your left on Earth.
yeah, it is lucky. I've got a lot of time left. Yeah, I don't like that 4 hour now. I'm kind of like, maybe I should just stay out.
Why?
Well, you know what I like with the trend, like before when it was down there, it was like a nice downtrend for me, but now it's just, yeah, I don't like it.
But it could just end up going back down like that. You could do anything.
Yeah.
Because realistically, what is inside of that right now is just this. And what if these bodies get smaller and then start doing something like this? Then this 4 hours is going to look like this.
Yeah, that's ideal. Yeah, there's a little bit of liquidity I wanted to grab at the top there, but it could just like push straight through as well.
Sheep. Hey Daniel, what's up? Sorry, hello. What's up, my dude? What is up, my dude? Yeah, I could see it doing a bit of a test. I could see it just testing it at least. Sheep, taking any trades today? Are you a millionaire yet? Billionaire. Are you a millionaire yet?
Is the lighting a lot better?
Yes.
It feels a lot better. Yeah, that's good.
Bro, the footage of me, like the screen that's on me, looks like a fucking Nokia footage. Like it's literally so pixelated.
Oh, damn. That's what mine's usually like though.
No, yours is clearer.
It's good. I stole your pixels. Be clear now.
That you did.
What are you waiting for if you're gonna take a trade?
I still like the idea of cells. I would like... I would like...
To look up.
I do want it to test it, yeah, just to show me that it doesn't want to be there.
Yeah. Yeah, same to me then.
But then there's this support level here now, so I'm like, I need a candle to break below that before I look at taking an entry. So I'd need something like this. Next one to week up, continue down, and then take a sell there. Or alternatively, get a candle break closure above there, wick down, and then take the buy there.
Yeah, I think if it like moves up like that from me, I'm just stay out and come back tomorrow because I took that dumb trade before. So.
Are you sad?
Was
it a good trade on paper?
Probably not.
Oh,
I'm a bit
okay.
impatient. I saw the FEG and I was like, you know what? It looks like it was a bit of FOMO, I think, because I can recognize that. So. I'm not too annoyed.
Yeah.
Because I managed it well as well. I closed it early, so saved about $400.
Good.
Yeah, saved myself from losing like an extra $400, so that's something. So.
It's definitely something. Yeah, that's good. Save that capital. Capital preservation.
So weird, that month when September just went so quick, it feels like. I was in Sydney for a whole last month, and now I'm just back. And I'm like, wow, it's weird. So quickly.
Yeah, it did go quick, eh? Quick, eh?
Okay.
Quick, eh?
So yeah, I wanted to grab that liquidity from that top wick that you're seeing. Ideally. And if it grabs that and then gives me a confirmation.
Yeah, I think it's gonna definitely either go up, or if it's gonna reverse, it's gonna at least test these highs. It'd be rude not to. Missed a candle.
My uncle was telling me that apparently I'd suit the Gold Coast, but I'm like, no, just for the beaches.
Suit the Gold Coast.
Just for the beaches. Because, you know, like in Brisbane, you got to drive like 30 minutes or an hour to get to any decent beach. Sydney, you're just like 5 minutes away from most of the beaches, which is good. And then Gold Coast is also close, but.
Gold Coast girl.
That's me.
So 2.5 minutes for this hourly, half an hourly, and 15 to close. And then we've got 1 hour for the 4 hour. So a lot can happen in this next hour. It's a very high volume time. Let's see what can happen.
So if that goes up, is that a fake? What you call a fake out? Sure, it wicks up.
I would personally only call it a fake out if it did something like this. If the 15-minute came up here like this, closed out with a really small top wick to no top wick, and then came back and closed like this.
Okay.
For me personally, if it came up and wicked out like that, I wouldn't really call it anything. I'd just call it a failed breakout. But I'm sure like there's people that would call it other things.
Yeah.
Liquidity grabs and whatever's.
Yeah, well that's what I want, really.
She,
Exactly what I want.
she wants all the traders around the world stop losses to get grabbed for her own gain.
Definitely. Yes.
Kill them all.
Exactly what I want.
Grab all their freaking stops.
Get rid of them.
Look how many people are in tears right now. No.
Make them all cry.
But the market knows, whatever the fuck in the market means, that most people have their stops above this wick right here.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people like that signal that history got. I'm pretty sure it was oh no, it was a buy, was it? Yeah, it was a buy. Yeah.
He got a buy and then he took a sell.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
this would be a very popular spot for stop losses.
Yeah, I want everyone to get stopped out and then I want a perfect trade.
Oh wow. Make everyone cry. Make all the dudes in a dark room with their laptop up in front of them. Actually, if this candle can close above this range here, it's about to close now. This is quite interesting. I could look for a buy potentially. I could potentially look for a buy here.
One more minute.
Oh, the 1 hour
Grab
close
all
with
that
a
liquidity.
very small top wick.
Go grab that liquidity, please.
Yeah, it will.
So small top wick, what does that say to you?
That says there's no range that's being created yet, so it's like indecisiveness on whether it wants to continue up. And especially like how extended the 4 hour is.
Yeah.
Which
The only thing I don't like is the 4 hour.
Which at the same time, it's like, how much can you take into account that, to be honest? Because anytime you think in trading, oh, this is unusual, like this can't happen, or this won't happen, it fucking does.
Yeah.
Like the candle bodies are getting smaller. Like this 30 minute that just closes smaller than the one prior to it.
Is that indication for a sell?
Yeah, indication that maybe buying pressure's dying down a little bit. Even if it means it might just create support here, not necessarily reverse, but yeah, we'll see. Whoa. Yeah, I see this all the time when these candles, especially the 1 hour when it closes with minimal wick, just fucking reverses.
See, I want it to go up a little bit more, but
wait for this 15 now.
I think my Wi-Fi is crap as well. Am I lagging at all?
I don't think so, no.
Okay. Maybe it's just screen.
Ella's stressing.
I'm just thinking whether to enter or not.
What, sell or buy?
So
Well, just ask yourself this, because you keep talking about this idea that I really want to sell, I really want to sell. Are you taking a sell based on what you want to happen or what you're seeing is happening? That's something that I would just throw out there. I'm not saying anything other than that. Like, I have no bias either way, personally.
you're looking for a buy.
No, I'm saying I have no bias either way. Like, I'm looking at nothing really.
Yeah. I think I've missed my entry, but I'm just gonna leave it, to be fair.
Yeah.
I think as soon as if I'm unsure about it, it's probably a good indication that I should be taking it. So
Yep.
I'll just set it up and watch it run. If it runs, that's okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because I think the one I did before was what I wanted to happen, which is obviously right as well. But
Still plenty of this session left.
yeah, exactly. And I'm definitely staying out of GU. That's just too tricky. Definitely.
Hmm.
And if I say I'm looking at GU, just remind me that's stupid.
Yeah, so let's see what happens here. This, during the London session, whenever we get close to this 4-hour closing, it's always a time to kind of gauge what could happen. I've still got 50 minutes for it, so a lot can happen in 50 minutes.
50?
50, 50.
That's true. I think, yeah, it might be worth me waiting, honestly, for that close. It might make it a bit clearer. Because if it closes bearish, then I want to be looking for sells again. But then obviously if it goes back up and closes bullish, then I'll probably stay out.
Well, yeah, because two major things can happen is if this 4-hour close, let's say it closed like this, That means it's closed below this 4-hour wick zone to the left. But if it closes like just above it, if not a little bit green, they can both dictate a lot of like different things. It's in like a pretty interesting spot.
Yeah.
Because if it closes above, then it's like, that's a fucking pretty big indication for going up.
I'll just send you a photo of what I was looking at while I was looking uncertain before. But I think it's probably a good thing that I didn't enter.
Jason Engler, Ella is hot. Jason Engler, Jason is naughty. Naughty, naughty. Is this gold in the 1 minute?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I can't pull anything from that. I have no idea what the 1 minute, what the 1 minute's all about these days. Yeah, I'm probably looking more for buys above, to be honest. Probably looking at that.
Definitely missed a good entry there. That's alright.
See what I mean though? Like if you pay attention to that, when you do specifically the 1 hour candle, when it closes like that with no top wick, usually fucking gets a massive rejection. Ayash Jang Shaisha Takura. Hey man, what's up, my dude? What is up? We are waiting for a potential trade. History buys above 2657 and sells below 2643 for me. Yeah, I agree. I'm in the same boat. I just need a candle to close above and below either one. Personally. Sells below.
It's like flying down now. That would have been perfect.
It's flying. Someone before the stream started was like, why are you trading now? There's going to be no volume. I'm like, bro, it's London Open. What are you talking about? Look how much fucking volume there is. This 1 15-minute candle's moved 50 pips right here. Yeah, 50, wow. Nearly 60 pips. Yes, very strong rejection off this zone. But this is what I was saying before. Ella, remember I was saying this before, like, you're like, oh, it looks like it's going up now, but this could just be one of the bounces. Now look at it, it's going back, it's just gone, it's doing its thing. Probably come back up and then continue. Is this 30-minute close below that small green candle? I believe it'll keep going. Small green candle. There's too many small green candles, my dude. Oh, let's have a look at the 30. Yeah, who knows? Just have to wait. Just have to wait. I don't like the idea of trading within this zone. I don't like that. Next to the red wick, down at 2644. 30-minute 2644. Oh, down here. Yeah. If we get a closure down here, there's a very high probability that we will continue to the downside, most definitely. There's a lot of range here to fill. A chill as 200 pips. But we just have to wait. We have to wait for the right chance to pounce on our prey.
Do you say prounce?
Yeah. Pounce. Alright, but see, let's see if the old... Oh, shit. See, I wonder what's driving this downward volume all of a sudden. Considering gold's been so bullish for so long, especially with wars and shit going on, it would...
Well, it has to go down and go back up, right?
It has to go down and go back up. I don't know. Oh, no bottom wick on this 15, but it's not as strong of an indication as a 1 hour. Well, who would have predicted that? That just randomly it just goes, you know what, I'm out of here. And drop 70 pips. No one knows these things. No one knows these things except Zeus. Do you feel like you're at like an old oh, you can't hear the music.
No, I can't hear the music.
It's like an old, like a wine bar from the 70s where it's just like saxophone.
Like a jazz bar.
Yeah, like a jazz bar.
Cute.
Very cute. So remember what I said before, Ella? Look at this 4 hour now. So much can change in such a short period of time.
I know. Just, yeah, I didn't end. I'm not yet.
But that was only 15 minutes ago and you're like, oh man, I missed a trade. In the next 15 minutes, something else could rock up.
Yeah, that's true.
A lot can change in a quick amount of time.
Yeah, that is so true. I mean, I literally made refinements over the weekends and I'm already seeing more entry opportunities, so. Like, I literally watched a couple videos and I was like, oh, that's like all I need.
Oh, I watched a couple of videos. I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
I am a full-time trader now.
Yeah.
Watched a couple of freaking YouTube shorts.
Millions and millions of dollars ready.
Yeah. No, nice. So now I have to move this resistance area up to here.
So I wonder if it's starting to move back up now.
It's just doing its fucking dance. But again, another perfect example of like when a candle creates no wick, bottom wick for the downside and a top wick for the upside, it just has that tendency to reverse. It's crazy. It might not break out of either of these zones until this 4 hour closes. This 4 hour would dictate quite a lot actually, in my belief.
Yeah, I think so too.
If it closes here, that means it broke past all this 4-hour rejection basically. But if it closes up here, it means it's probably going to continue up.
So quiet in my headphones. Like I can't hear the music or anything.
Oh. Yeah, true. The candle has stalled. Who is gonna push this 4-hour candle? Is the question on everyone's lips. I believe we will find out in the last 15 minutes of it. Let's have a look at oil.
Why are you looking at
Oh.
oil?
Just with the conflict, just curious.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking how many pips is that, man? I think it's like 500. Oil does fucking crazy moves, man.
What was that last? Was that last night that huge?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, it was around yesterday. Yep, gold is officially stalled. There is a conflict between buyers and sellers on who is going to push this 4-hour candle closure in the right direction. Ella is secretly in a trade.
No, I'm not. I was just considering it though. As you said that, I was thinking about entering, but
Oh wow.
I read my mind.
Mm.
I'm just like watching it.
Mm. Yeah, I would feel sorry for anyone in a trade right now. It just kind of dropping, then going up and back down.
Yeah, I think the Telegram group that I was in said to sell
Everyone sell.
2655, and the stop loss was at 2658. So they're fine.
Yeah. The group is killing it. They all would have seen a
This is
drop
one
in and
group
just be
that
like, yes.
Yeah. There's this one group that I joined when I first started, and I haven't paid for the subscription for just like over a year, and somehow it hasn't kicked me out yet.
Mm.
I'm just getting all these free signals without paying for anything.
Mm.
Like heaps of pages, because they do Forex, crypto,
Oh.
binary,
Wow.
and then there's free stuff.
Take all of their signals.
Yeah.
30-minute closing in 2.5 minutes, leaving quite the wick. Quite the wick.
It would have been like a 50 pip trade if I entered before.
She's reminiscing on what could have been a 50 pepperonis, but it didn't tick all your boxes, so
Yeah.
Let it go. You said you needed a liquidity grab. Like, not many people would have caught that at all. Like, it just, who anticipates
Yeah.
that it's just going to reverse? No one. It's not even a trade. It's just like, oh, it just did something.
Yeah. I kind of just touched it, but I didn't really go where I wanted it to.
Well, it touched into resistance, but it wasn't a liquidity grab at all. A liquidity grab would have just spike up here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of what I was looking for.
The only kind of signal it really gave was that it had no top week, but even taking a trade based on that alone is just gambling. Gambling. Second.
What time frame are you looking at?
This is the 30 right here.
30.
Alright, this next 30 is what's going to mean everything.
You're gonna wait another half hour for it?
I have to.
Yeah, that's fine.
As much as I would like to not. I have to. Because the reality is as well, like right now it's just in this range where there's literally like support here, shit here, shit here, shit here, like there's no like clean range now. Just gonna wait. If you're a trader, check my chat. There's a link to my Discord, free Discord. Join the Discord or pay the consequences. You will be whipped with a cat o' nine tails.
Gee, that's a bit harsh.
I'm taking it old school.
We're not sending me to give hugs anymore. We're sending me to whip them.
No, they're getting both. Hugs if they're good, whips if they're bad.
Oh. Sounds like fun.
Just waiting now, waiting for this one of these key levels to get tapped into. Yeah, your camera's fucking clearer than mine, hey?
Really?
Yeah,
it's probably just the lighting, to be fair. Probably just the adjusted lighting. It's on my laptop still.
Is your laptop good?
It's okay. It says it's a HD camera, but I don't think it's that HD.
Looks pretty HD.
And I've like adjusted it. I've got like portrait lighting and adjust like the lighting as well.
Oh wow. Look at this 1 hour, I bet you it's going to be showing a massive wick, yeah. $25 for the 4-hour closure.
See, I think that's, yeah, I'm going to watch and see what the 4-hour closes like, and then...
That would definitely be the good thing, because let's put it this way. Just say you're looking to take buys. Say close here and you're looking to take buys. Even before it starts to do that, it has to wick down first. Well, it doesn't have to, but the probability of it wicking down first, like look at this, it always does it with gold. It always double wicks.
Yeah,
So you take buys here and then maybe your stop loss is down here, but do you really want to go through the stress of that wick? That's the only shit thing. So it's like, that's why it's so best just to wait for that new 4 hour to do its dance at the start and then from there.
Yeah.
'Damn, look at this Lambo that just got into Brisbane. Juicy.
Haven't seen.
You will when I'm driving it.
Yeah, one of the... Oh, it's nice.
Oh, I forgot that I'm delayed.
Yeah, no, I can see it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, how did you freaking find it? Did you just see the lettering?
I just searched Lamborghini.
On Instagram? And that's the first one that came up?
Yeah, the Lamborghini, no, like the account.
Yeah, wow.
Lamborghini account.
Professional freaking stalker.
Searching for a Lamborghini.
My mate Jason is a professional stalker.
Is he really?
If he sees like a glimpse of a girl while he's driving down the street, she's like walking the footpath, he will find her Instagram.
Wow.
It's wild stuff, yeah.
FBI.
Yeah.
I thought that was just a girl thing.
So did I. But he has multi-talented skills.
Wow.
As it turns out.
Yeah, one of the guys who gets a booth at Tux, he's got a few Lambos. Very nice cars.
Just a couple.
I've seen, I saw them all. He's got like 4, I think.
Wow.
Yeah.
What's his like? What does he do?
I think. What did he say? I think he did ecom. Yeah, but he's got a blue one, green one, a yellow Urus. And he's at tax office every weekend, so.
Yeah, wow.
Interesting.
Look at this 1 hour. Doing all sorts of wiki
Yeah, I'm watching
things.
it. If I did want to sell, I'd need it to come back to that area. But then it's like if it does come back, I just feel like it looks like it's gonna keep going up.
Hmm.
If you got a Lamborghini, which one would you want to get?
Oh, there's ones that I would want to get, but like a SVJ would be ideal, but they're fucking like
Yeah.
double what like a normal Lambo STO is worth.
Ah, okay, fancy. SVJ. Oh, okay.
A Urus would be legit lit.
Yeah, I've always wanted a Urus. A blue Urus. Bougie.
Bouge. Get paid to wait.
Sometimes.
You get paid to wait, and other times you get money taken away when you wait.
And you cry. I definitely cry. As long as you don't revenge trade, it's okay to cry when you lose. Sometimes. The ones I hate the most, I think, is like when you're so like sure, when it's just like perfect and it's just.
They should be the ones where it doesn't hurt that much. Because then you know at least it's probabilities, not like you being a dickhead.
Yeah, that's true. It's true.
Yeah, that's what I think. So, because yesterday I lost a bit more than 1%, and I've already done that in this challenge like a couple weeks ago. But it hurt so much more yesterday because it wasn't the fact that I lost 1%, it was the fact that I broke my rules. Like I did things that aren't in my best interest.
Yeah.
But like when I lost the 1% the other week, I was fine with it because I was like, oh, at least I stuck to my rules and, you know.
Yeah, I've written down my rules again, and I put if I lose 1,500 to 2,000, then I'm done for the day. Which meant I should have been done yesterday, but I wrote it today, so from today.
Yeah.
And then max 2 trades as well. I think is good for me.
And max 2 trades, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And just while I'm trying to build it back up, I'm only really aiming for like 1% a day.
1%'s good. What's the profit target? How many percent? Like 9?
Profit target on this one?
Yeah.
7%.
7%. So essentially you
So
just need 7 good. Yeah, you got to get out of drawdown as well. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm down at, because from my trade before, I'm down 191,890. So that's like 4% still. It's literally where I started. It's such a break-even phase. It's like I win and I lose, and then I win and lose. Just, yeah. Yeah, so I've got 4% to make, and then I've got an extra 7%. So essentially, I've got to make 12%.
Yeah, 12%. Yeah.
To pass the first phase.
But you can get a
And
dope
then,
trade that, like, you know, you take partials and let the runners run and snag like 2.5%.
yeah, of course.
Or take
Or
2 trades in one
short.
day and both winners.
That is true. Yeah, I'm only risking 0.5% at the moment, but once I get to break even, I'm going to be risking 1% again.
Yeah.
So if I can get to break even, then I know I'm doing it right, because, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. For sure, dude. 15's about to close. 15 is about to do a closure. It's the 4 hours still right in that point of like
It's a bit indecisive.
closing below the 4-hour wick area or closing above it. This whole area, it needs to be like, it needs to close up here, or ideally, or close down here, ideally. Right now, it's right in the center. What's that?
At buys if it closes above.
No, like if just say this is the 4-hour wick area, and it closes either here or here. Like if it closes above, yes, then I'll need that. I'll want to wick down. And then look for a buy above, yeah. But it's most likely, I most likely need a pretty decent wick. But yeah, I think I'd rather a bearish close.
Yeah.
Just for the sake of time, really. Because if I get a bullish one, it's probably going to be another hour before opportunity arises, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, if I don't see anything, I might just look just before New York again. So it's usually that push was like good, and I feel like it's usually like that when the session opens. So
yeah, definitely.
I gotta eat because I'm hungry, so I don't be sat here waiting. News at 10:15. No, 11. No, 10:15. Maybe I won't look then because we want to get caught up in that.
Yes, push down, motherfucker, push. Man, there's this scammer on there's this scam trader. You probably know him. His name's Alex FX or Alex GFX. He's an American guy, but he's probably like the biggest in like the young people trader community.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, he's doing this challenge, $100 to $1 million.
Oh right, yeah.
And it's so obvious like how he's scamming it. Not only like beside the fact that you can just alter the results, he looks at all the markets. He doesn't show you which market it is, and then next scene it'll be him like already in a trade, in profits. So I think he just like enters all of them. Whichever one's doing well, he'll just be like, "Look, I'm in profits." But the issue with that is like, if he's halfway to TP and he shows it's in profits, he can still reverse. So like,
Yeah.
which is good because then you like it's nothing to hide then. But it's just like, bro, why don't you just call out like, "Hey, I'm about to enter this position," not wait till you're about to, or not wait till you're halfway to TP. But like new traders, like they don't really know the ways that people can scam.
Is he on Instagram? Or
Yeah, he's got like 500,000
Alex,
followers.
what is it, Alex G?
I think it's Alex FX. Harshi, bro, what's your opinion on funded accounts? Funded accounts are good, bro. Funded accounts are good. They give you a set of rules that you have to abide by. It can build some really good habits because you have to abide by those rules of the funded challenge. When you just fucking put in your own money in, yeah, when you're just putting your own money in and like you can easily blow it. Like people hate on funded, but like they actually are really good. What were you gonna say,
It'll
Ella?
help your psychology. I was just gonna say it'll help you a heap. It's helped me a heap. Like for strategy, psychology, risk management.
Because you can't go crazy. There's daily loss limits and stuff like that. Like, you know, if you go crazy and you hit your daily loss limit and lose the account, that pain is going to teach you a lesson. Like, obviously, you'll teach yourself a lesson if you do it on a real account, but you're saving money. That's for sure.
Yeah, failing challenges just makes you better, to be honest. Failed many challenges.
Yep. Each time you get a little bit better.
Yeah, this is the longest I've held on to one though, so it's good. It's very good.
For sure.
I wonder if I can keep it till the end of the year.
Or pass it.
It'd even take me a year, like, who knows?
I had in my notebook, like I was writing some reflection stuff last night, and in this random like page I noticed that I had like some plans for myself towards the end of the year, and in one of them it said pass a challenge by November, and I was like, I wrote that shit at the middle of the year. I was like, wow, that there's a potential that could line up relatively okay. Like, imagine.
I had something like that from last year, like in my little book that I do some, like when I went back to go over like trading basics, I kind of like made little pictures and stuff in a book so I could understand it better. And I found at the front of it all the pairs that I used to trade, plus the rule, like old rules, and how I wanted to pass my 25k challenge by the end of the year, which obviously didn't happen, but yeah. Now I'm in that same boat, but with a 200k, but I'm not going to actually set a time limit this time.
Yes, good idea.
I think the main thing is just have my psych in strategy like perfected by the end of the year, to be honest.
Yeah.
Because it'll all come naturally.
For sure.
Once that's said.
Most definitely. So the candles are just stalling in this area for the moment. 4 hour closes in 5 minutes, so we'll see what happens. Right now we are stalled. Bro, what time is it in Australia? It is... What time is it? It is nearly 7 p.m. When this candle closes, it will hit 7 p.m. That is when it all goes down.
Yeah, I might stay out for the rest of the day, I think. Just because there's news at 10:15, and if I was looking for a trade, it just wouldn't be.
There's news? I don't think there's news.
Yeah, I think so.
No, there's no news today.
No? Oh, I saw it on Trade Days or whatever.
There's no red folder news.
Oh, mine shows me a red folder one.
What's the actual news event?
ADP non-farm employment change.
No, you're looking at the wrong date.
15.
Oh, am I looking at the wrong date?
October 2nd.
Oh,
yeah.
Shit. My whole life has been a lie. I had no idea. I was looking at yesterday. What a down person.
Yeah, so I think...
Alright, so this next hour or so is going to be... Next couple of hours I've got to play around here then.
Yeah, I'll probably give it another till 8 o'clock and then I'll stop looking.
Wow, here I am looking at yesterday.
We will see how it moves though.
Yeah. If this candle closes like this, I'm probably going to call it a day as well. Mrs. Stream. Mr. Stream. What other news events are there this week? Okay, so we've got that tonight. Unemployment claims tomorrow. NFP on the 4th. Is that right? I thought NFP was on the every Friday at the last day of the month.
10:30.
That's not the big NFP. The NFP, the big one is on the 4th.
Yeah, on the
okay, so it's a pretty fucking heavy news week this week. Or maybe I'll get it mixed up. Maybe it's the first Friday of every month. Yeah, wow. Okay, we've got NFP this week.
Is it a Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. No. Is it Wednesday?
Today's Wednesday, yeah.
Yeah, today's Wednesday.
Wow, big news week.
So how do you want it to close if you're going to enter?
Oh, ideally I wanted it to be quite a bit lower.
Yeah.
For sales at least. Like I'm sure there's still opportunity, but it's just gonna take later. Like take a fucking half an hour for me. Remo V Muster. What is your trade idea? Just looking for long off the head and shoulders. What head and shoulders are you talking about, kind sir? What time frame are you looking at a head and shoulders on? I need to see some sort of reaction off my support and resistance areas. We're about to have this 4-hour candle close with a massive wick. Candle bodies are getting smaller in the 4-hour. If we do get some sort of reversal, the probability of it leaving a wick first is very high. So I don't know if I can be bothered waiting around for that. With that said, we've got news in a couple of hours as well, so there's a lot of moving parts right now, and that's it. That's all. Yeah, I'm curious what Head and Shoulders you're talking about. Maybe on the 1 minute or something like that. Let's have a look.
Is that Head and Shoulders?
I don't know. I don't know if it really like counts. Yeah, who fucking knows? All right.
4 hours just closed. Where's it closed?
In a real shit spot.
I don't like that.
You don't like it for what though?
It's more to. It's got a long wick. It just looks like it's more towards the buy side now. And it could, like, yeah, I don't.
Oh, you're still stuck on this idea of sells.
Yeah.
Why? Why are you so obsessed with sales right now?
Well, I'm not really seeing things for sales. I'm not really seeing things for buyers either.
Yeah, same.
Losses were cut short today, even if it was a dumb trade, but that's, yeah.
Managed the risk, managed the loss amount, which is good. Let's just hang out for a second, see what these first couple minutes does.
Is that 15?
Yeah.
What's that called? Is that like a hammer?
Yeah.
Is that what they call it? Yeah.
But I think like where it's located right now and everything, it's just like fucking doesn't mean much.
Yeah.
If it was down here and it did that, it would be like, oh, that's quite interesting.
Is that reversal?
It would just indicate some sort of rejection, but then again with gold, it'd probably like test it again. I would be looking at it. I would be looking at this if I was looking at gold. I don't know what that means because we are looking at gold currently. We're currently looking at gold. That's all we ever look at. Not the Head and Shoulders though, but the ascending formation which acts as a counter trend trade middle section of the large bull flag to continue to the move to the upside.
I didn't get any of that.
What time frame?
It's,
Bro, you're looking at bull flags and all sorts of stuff. Where's the flag? I don't see a flag here at all. I wonder what time frame you're looking at. One hour and 4 hours. Oh. Yeah, but I don't know if this is... So when you're looking at flags and things like that, it's like... You want it to look clean. Like, this isn't clean no more. You know what I mean? It's like, let's have a look. I'm assuming you're like going from here as well. It's just not it. It's just not it anymore. You want it to look nice and clean. I'll show you the fucking cleanest flag. I don't even know where it would be anymore. Oh, this was such a this day. The day that the chart did this was when I was like, oh, okay, I see what's up with all this shit. and I didn't know enough. If I knew what I knew now, I would have caught this way better. When it broke out, it just melted. Perfect
When was that?
flat bottom pennant. Oh, this was like 7 months ago or something. I can always find on the chart because it was such like a pivotal point for me because I was watching it. And what I actually did, because I didn't, like I said, I didn't know what I know now. I had a buy stop here because I thought it was going to fake out and then break out to the upside, but it didn't. It just melted, and it just melted. It was very, very interesting day.
Is that an all-time high? Or?
Yeah, that was an all-time high at the time. So when is this? This is, yeah, the 20th of the 5th, 2024. But yeah, very interesting. Correct. Zoomed in like this is not clear, but look at my screenshot. How the flip can I look at your screenshot? Join the Discord in the chat. Add a screenshot there, my dude.
Wait, can you post photos in a live chat?
No, you could, like, if I had a Discord community and like added them to the stream, added them to the Zoom, they could.
Faces. Oh my god, these emotes are so cool.
The what?
There's little like emojis, but like specifically from YouTube in the live chat.
Oh. Alright, I might have to call it. It's just stalled here. It's most likely not going to move for quite a bit of time.
Yeah. I'm going to leave it to...
Be back tomorrow. Love, peace, and prosperity. And get back into it tomorrow. I'll talk to you in a minute, Ella.
Yeah, we'll talk soon.
Bye.